are still here. It's my honor to speak here, but I did not imagine that I will come here as a legislator. I used to dream of a big job. I used to think that I will become an IAS officer or some other holding administrative post, but I do not think I will come here as an MLA. I think I'm the first to be the legislator of this school, from this school. Today, the appointed SPLs and class leaders, they are very much similar. They are very much, the process, the mechanism, it's like our legislature of the assembly only. We also used to be elected. I am elected newly. Being an MLA, I have the responsibility of my constituency. And being a class leader or monitor, they have the responsibility of their classes. I wish them all the very best in their tenure of this 1 year. You are all a good leader when you can overcome many negativities, many inconveniences. You will be a good leader, you will be a good class monitor when you can tackle every situation in your class. You are given responsibility to take up the whole class in a disciplined manner. It's kind of a taking the charge of a school teacher. So we all know that our education system in Tripura went to 2-3 years back due to COVID. To overcome that, our school authority and the government of Tripura is speeding up their work, bringing up many schemes. I think the schemes also should be applied in our private schools, in these schools also. Yesterday we had a meeting with SDM regarding the scheme. There is a scheme called Mission Vatsalaya scheme. This scheme will help the orphan children or the children who doesn't have mother or father. If there is any student here in this school, I would like to request our fathers to submit an application to the SDM, which I will personally look after, so that they get the profit, so they become the beneficiary of the scheme. Talking to this school, it's really, I don't know if I'm making any sense or not while I'm speaking, but I really feel nervous talking to all of you in front of my old teachers, fathers, because speaking in assembly or in front of public during my political period or while I give my political speech is different. And speaking in schools, coming to schools, there is also the school which we have studied before. This is very unique. In my tenure of 5 years, I would like to contribute